Hey everybody, today I'm testing out the Teande 4200 PSI pressure washer. This is gas powered and shoots out 3 gallons per minute. So let me get out the parts and see how long it takes me to put together. I have it all opened up, and as you can see, these tires aren't cheap. They're pneumatic tires, they're not cheap plastic hollow tires. And there's the spray nozzle, the bottle of for the detergent, and then we have the instructions, 20-foot hose, and here is the engine. You can see that there, and here are all the specs. So you can see it's maximum pressure 4200 psi, rated pressure is 3600 psi at 3 gallons per minute. And I'm gonna need to go up and get some 10W30 for this, and I'll let you know how long it takes me to put together. Alright, I have it all together. It takes about 15 minutes on coffee, 20 minutes if you don't have coffee. But right here, you can see all the different nozzles, and they tell you right here what the angle, like there's the one for soap, that's the one for soap, 40 degree, and then 25 degree. And the one I have on there now is the 15 degree, but this one is the straight high pressure stream. But yeah, it took 15 minutes. And I'll show you a bit more on this. Oil, it took half a quart. I just went to Napa, grabbed a quart, and it took half to fill it up. I bought some detergent here for the car, or my truck. Here we have the on and off switch. And then on the back here we have the soap dispenser, or detergent dispenser. It works when this is down, and it'll suck it right up. And then here we have the choke, and then we have the throttle right here. And I guess that's about it. It does have this Velcro strap to hang the hose from, and then also the gun sprayer has that thing on there to hold it in place, to wheel it around and all that. But the wheels do come off, and the whole handle does fold down for storage over winter. But yeah, I guess I'm ready to go. I'm gonna try to start it. Just gotta connect the hose. I have the water all hooked up and it's ready to start. I already tried it once just to see if it would start in case I had any troubles, but I didn't have any trouble at all. It started on the second pull. The water's connected, and I did start it up. It only took on the second pull to start it, which is very impressive. So I'm gonna go show you how I start it here. Put it on again. Yeah, should be good to go. For my first test, I wanted to see if it would blow weeds out of my crack. You can see I have a bit of weeds in my crack there. I'll just start it up. I'm using the nozzle that is direct stream and high pressure. So I'll go ahead and start this. And you can see it worked very well. I got all the weeds out of my crack. As for changing nozzles, it's super fast. All you have to do, slide this back, pull the nozzle out, select your new nozzle, put the nozzle in, boom, all set, ready to go. Okay, this is where I just blew the weeds out of my crack, and I'm going to show you how to use the 20 degree angle to clean it up even more, because you can see it left a pattern on the cement, but this will clean the cement. As you can see, my gutters are pretty dirty underneath from all the air pollutants in the air, and I'm just going to use the 15-degree angle on it and see what happens. I have algae growing on my siding, on the side of my house, in the shaded area, and I'm just going to spray it off without detergent and see how it works out. I was driving and a bunch of monkeys attacked my truck with ice cream. I think it's ice cream, but maybe it's not ice cream, but I need to clean it off. It's all over my truck. Ugh. But anyway, gonna use the pressure washer with soap and clean it off. Well, just to wrap this up, I'm very impressed with this unit. It's super powerful, blows away my electric pressure washer, and I love the fact that it has the storage for the different nozzles. You just pop them in and out as you need them, and yeah, super powerful, and starts on one pull, and that's important when you're impatient. So I guess that's about it. So take care, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.